chilled in the car. Nancy's back there. And Karen watched a Christmas movie the other day, and she discovered that it was filmed in Kansas City. Well, I think
I've already forgotten what it's called. Hang on a second.
It's a Lifetime movie.
It's called My Sweet Holiday, and it's really, let's just say the best part about it, it's filmed in Kansas City.
Yeah, I think she said it was pretty cheesy, is what I remember. But hey, I think it's cool. There's a movie that was filmed in Kansas City, and it's a Christmas themed movie, so we're gonna go find the filming locations.
So we're gonna go to Annedore's Chocolate and the Hotel Muehlebach and the Plaza to get some footage so that you can see where this place was filmed.
Has the shop been busy? I could help out. I have time.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside.
Okay, I got myself some Annedore's chocolates. It is adorable. I can't wait to show it to you. When I open the box, there are the Plaza light Christmas lights. I'll just have to show you. It's way cute.
Oh, I think it's adorably cute in there. I'm so glad we came.
Me too. Well, I'm so glad Karen watched that movie because I had no idea. I'd never seen that before. And it's just so stinking cute. So stinking cute.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents.
The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention, giving you a smile. I can seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too. Like a vibration right between us with a beautiful two. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but I'm warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? As hours pass by, all the stars shine much brighter. Or is it just your eyes that have lit something in me? See you coming close.
awesome.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop. When the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on.
We're back. How'd you like all those filming locations? I wanted to show you, before I signed off here for today, I wanted to show you these cool things that I got at Annedore's Chocolate. Here, let me show you. It's really cute. I got this really cute old-fashioned Santa Claus. He is solid milk chocolate, but shh, I got it for Karen for her stocking. Don't tell her. So I saw these little candies. I don't know what the actual name is. It's like candy corn, but not. It's the bigger candy corn things. During the autumn season, they have like brown and orange and yellow ones that look like wheat and corn. I don't know. I'm sure you have that wherever you are, but I got these cute ones. They have, what do they have? They have little toy soldiers in them. They're so cute. So I know it's not chocolate, but it is candy. This not a creature was stirring. Can you guess what's in it? Here, let me open it up and show you. Little chocolate mice. I thought that was cute. Not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. It's got a little tail. Little chocolate mouse. And one more thing. So I got this box of chocolates, and this is a painting of the Plaza on the chocolate box. On the back of the box, it says the Kansas City Plaza Light Story. It began in 1925 with only 16 Christmas lights. It became one of the most spectacular holiday lighting displays in the nation. The Plaza lights feature hundreds of thousands of jewel-colored lights stretching across every tower, window, and dome of the country club Plaza. The lights have been exclusively recreated in rich milk and dark chocolate by Annedore's Fine Chocolates, a Kansas City tradition itself. The artist who painted this is Mike Savage. And inside are the cutest little chocolate Christmas lights. Let me open this up. And see, they're the Plaza Christmas lights. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.